If wind farms were established far out in the North Atlantic, enough energy could be cultivated to supply all of humanity's electricity needs. That's because wind over the ocean is 70% stronger than wind over land. In a report published in NUS, the authors found that a wind farm the size of Greenland far out in the ocean could generate 18 terawatts, a trillion watts of energy, which is currently how much humanity consumes. The wind doesn't lose its force at sea because it is constantly being replenished by wind currents, whereas on land, the wind does lose its force, since there is a lot of obstacles such as each tree, mountain, and buildings that diminish its force. There are currently 13 offshore wind projects in 10 states, with a potential of almost 6,000 megawatts of capacity. At its maximum potential, offshore wind production could reach more than 120,000 gigawatts, or 11 times the projected global electricity demand in 2040. Since wind is both stronger and more consistent off the coast than on land, the largest offshore wind turbines can produce between 14 to 15 megawatts of power, while the largest onshore turbine can only reach about 4 to 5 megawatts. Since oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, they receive an enormous amount of solar energy. Deep ocean currents, waves, and winds all are a result of the sun's radiant energy and differential heating of the Earth's surface and oceans. Offshore wind is good for the environment because it generates electricity without burning any fuel or emitting any carbon dioxide. Offshore turbines don't have as much visual impact as those on land. They don't interfere with land usage, and there are no physical obstacles that can interrupt the wind flow.